welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I got this top knot bun, then please keep watching. So to get started on this very classic look, we're going to be doing this on a few days old straightened hair. And first things first, I'm going to moisturize my scalp using my Softy growth oil. This is a thickening, revitalizing repair formula. It's to repair damage for thick, shiny, and more manageable hair, and it replenishes the moisture for stronger, healthy hair. It's an all-natural oil blend and rich with vitamins, so this is really good. I love to use this oil. It's like one of my favorites. Next, I'm going to be taking this Eco Style Professional Styling Gel. It's the argan oil one. This one is like one of my favorites. I'm either using this or there's a pink gel that I'm going to link all these products below. There's only 4 products that I'm going to be using for this whole thing. But yes, I'm going to take a very generous amount and apply this all over my hair. And then I'm just going to start smoothing, molding, and just working it in the direction that I want to have the ponytail. So I'm going to be going for a top knot. So I'm going to be working all this up, molding it into that direction where I want to center the ponytail. I'm going to go in with my Salon Graphics Extra Super Hold Hairspray. This is the number 4 and probably one of the best hairsprays on the market in my opinion. It leaves your hair nice and firm, but it doesn't give you that weird residue that the other hairsprays give you. So definitely get you some of this hairspray. I'm going to link it down below. And I'm going to use a second hair tie. This is actually just going to create more height for the ponytail that we're going to be doing, or for the bun, I'm sorry, that we're going to be doing. So yeah, Salon Graphics hairspray, and then I'm going to go in with that second hair tie. Now I'm going to be taking my braiding hair, and as you see, there's a rubber band on it. We're going to use this rubber band to secure the braiding hair. secured your braiding hair, you're going to just take it and we're going to start brushing this out. This is just going to fluff out the braiding hair, remove the kinks, and make it more manageable so that we can start blending the hair into the braiding hair. This is going to be key when you're doing your bun because you don't want your natural hair poking outside of the braiding hair. You want it to be all like cohesive. So we're going to fluff out and then we're going to start blending, as you can see me doing right here. I'm spreading the hair apart, and like I said, I'm going to wrap this all the way around my natural hair so that it's covering it completely, and then I'm going to work it in the direction that I feel most comfortable starting my buns, and we're gonna go in that twisting motion to get it all nice and tight. Going to be securing my bun with another hair tie. Now you don't have to do this, but just for that added protection, I like to have the hair tie. But if you want, you can just keep twisting the hair around the bun until you can't twist it anymore, but just make sure that you do it in a very snug way and that it's as close to the rubber bands you have underneath the bun as possible. Moving on to the baby hairs, I'm going to be using that same Eco Style gel that we used in the beginning, and I'm going to take that all over my hairline. I am going to be using a toothbrush this time. I can't find my my edge brush, so I'm just going to be using this toothbrush to take all of the little hairs. I would call these your natural baby hairs, and I'm just going to be swooping them bang and sleeking them into that bun. Real simple. We ain't gonna be doing too much. I'm not really a big baby hair person, but I do think that when you're having those buns, you should have a little bit of flavor, and the baby hair is gonna be that flavor, girl. finish her off, I'm using my hairspray again, and I'm going to be spraying all of it, baby hairs included, and then I'm going to be taking my teasing brush to smooth everything in place. Don't forget to spray your bun, ladies. You got to spray the bun to lock in that style. And gorgeous, stunning.